The spindle finally arrived, so let's do a fast unboxing. Well, it's definitely a bit smaller than I expected, but we will see how good it performs on the CNC. In hindsight, I maybe shouldn't have gone with the cheapest option. Luckily, I might be able to fix this with the magic of post-production. This seems like the option I need, so maybe just turn up the slider a little bit. Maybe just a bit more? Yeah, that's probably too much. This one looks nice, so let me just apply this to the rest of the video, and then we can go back to the CNC. What you are about to witness are my first cuts ever on a CNC machine. I'm just manually sending some G-code, and yeah, not the most exciting thing to watch. Therefore, I hope that you don't mind if I jump forward a bit to the more interesting stuff. Here I'm just trying out different machining strategies. I'm using Fusion 360, so this is a 2D pocket operation, and the next one is going to be a 2D adaptive. Cutting foam board isn't really that exciting, but it gave me the confidence to tackle other materials. This should be a flat surface. I guess that my spindle isn't perfectly perpendicular, and I might already know the reason for that. The spindle mount bracket is made out of ABS and, of course, it cracked while printing. So I had to glue two pieces together, they shifted a little bit, and long story short, I printed a new one out of PETG. Looking back, this video clearly wasn't focused on building a mostly printed CNC, but rather on using it. So sorry about that, but the next part is going to be all about building an enclosure, dust collection, as well as a nice electronics box. And I'm going to make an additional video about cutting different materials and how the machine generally performs. So stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching!